Aloha, welcome to KTA Quick and Order Recipes. I'm Chef Maka, and today we're going to make
bone-in prime rib with horseradish, crème fraîche, and au jus. First, preheat the oven to 350. Rub oil on the beef. Salt, pepper all over. Be generous. Then add the herbs. Let beef stand to room temperature on a cooking rack placed on a sheet pan. Cook for about an hour and a half. Internal temperature should be about 110 degrees for rare. Cook longer for desired temperature. Remove beef from pan. Scrape drippings into a small pot and pour red wine into pan. Reduce by half. Then add stock and reduce by half again until done. Let beef rest for about 30 minutes before carving. Mix sour cream, horseradish, wasabi, lemon juice, a touch of salt, and mix together. Serve on the side. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes. Mahalos.